Right, what you saw at the beginning of the video there was the VEVOR welding table, the 30-inch times 20-inch. It can take a 400-pound load, and in this video I'm going to do a bit of a review of the actual table. Now it comes with this excellent manual here with colour pictures throughout of the assembly and of the parts. And it's fairly straightforward to put together and easy, and I found it took about an hour and a half if you follow the instructions exactly. So now I'm going to go out into the yard and show you various different scenes of this VEVOR table and footage, video footage and photos, close-up photos of all the different components and how it can be used. And I'll also show how you can actually clamp work to the table for welding. And just before I go out, I'd just like to say that this is an excellent piece of equipment. It's a good solid table, very sturdy, and I'm really pleased with it. And it's only £67.99. So I'll put a link below, and if you're needing a welding table, this is an excellent one to get.